Chandrakant Upadhyay. I'm practicing as a cardiologist in Pune. I have done my UG from BJ Medical College and PG and Super PG from Lokmanya Tilak Medical College, Science. Heart failure is a medical condition in which the heart fails to pump the blood into the circulation to meet the tissue demands. So heart failure is of two types, where it is called as a systolic heart failure and diastolic heart failure. For the heart to pump the blood into the circulation, two important events are required. First is adequate relaxation of the heart so that adequate blood fills in the heart, and second is contraction of the heart muscle so that it can pump the blood into the circulation. So impairment of any of these two, either relaxation or contraction of the heart, leads to heart failure. The incidence of heart failure is around 1 to 2% in the Indian population. Diabetes, long-standing hypertension, then patients who have had a heart attack, that is a major heart attack which we say, then certain conditions in which there is either there is leakage in the valve due to inadequate closure or inadequate opening of the valves where there is stenosis, and certain kind of heart defects, that is congenital heart disease that is present right from birth, that also can lead to heart failure. The most important thing is that though heart failure is a serious condition, with adequate lifestyle changes, optimal medical treatment and newer advanced device-based therapies, it can be managed adequately. Important thing is for the patients is to know the symptoms of heart failure, that is shortness of breath, then swelling over the feet, easy fatigability. All these symptoms, if at all it is present, then they have to consult the doctor immediately. And lifestyle changes are very important. This is in the form of decreased salt intake, avoid smoking, alcohol, adequate treatment of taking the medications as prescribed by the doctor, regular consultation with their doctors. So these are all the things that help in managing heart failure. Important message is that though it is a serious condition, it can be easily managed with adequate, whatever I've said, adequate lifestyle changes, medications, and advanced device-based therapies. Important thing is to know the symptoms of heart failure and follow up with the doctor. Also, progression of the symptoms, if at all it is there, they should immediately consult their doctor. If the heart of the patient is weak, so any kind of fever, any kind of decrease in the hemoglobin can precipitate heart failure. So whatever factors that can precipitate heart failure, they should know. And important lifestyle changes in the form of decreased salt intake, avoiding alcohol, avoiding smoking, all these are important. The most important thing is to make your heart strong is to prevention of heart failure or avoiding heart failure. So important lifestyle changes from the beginning. What I have said, that is avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, adequate treatment of your blood pressure, keep your blood pressure under control. The newer guidelines say that your blood pressure should be below 130/90. Then adequate control of your sugars. These all the risk factors, if you get control, then the chances of having certain heart attack will prevent, and if you prevent the heart attack, then the heart function will remain intact, and by this you can prevent heart failure.